Hello everyone. In last video we were doing this same exercise 1.2 and we completed till question number 3. Right? In this video we are going to start from question number 4. So now question number 4 says state the sign of products without actually multiplying. Okay, we will not multiply, we need to find the sign of the product. Now see children, you know that with negative sign, if we have negative into negative, then answer will be positive. If we have negative into positive or positive into negative, answer will be negative always. It means if we have even number of negative sign, okay, if we have even number of negative sign, then answer will be positive. And if we have odd number of negative sign, then answer will always be negative. Now let's check here in first one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 negative sign and 4 is, we have 4 negative sign, right? And 4 is what? 4 is even number. So if you have even number of negative sign, it means answer will be what? Answer will come positive. Okay, clear? Now let's check in the second one. In second one we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 negative sign. Okay, we have 3 negative sign and 3 is what? It is odd number. If we have odd number, it means result or answer will be negative. Clear? If we have odd number of negative sign, it means answer will be negative. If we have even number of negative sign, it means answer will be positive. Now state the sign of the product if A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are positive integers. Okay. So now same thing we will see here. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 negative sign. Okay. 3 negative sign we have. And 3 is what? Odd number. So see, these negative sign we will check when it is in all the numbers are in multiplication. When some are in addition, some are in subtraction and some are in multiplication, that time you will not check. You need to see all the numbers are in multiplication, then only will count like this. Yes, how many negative sign are there. Now 3 is odd number, it means answer will be negative. Okay, again I am telling you, if we have odd number of negative sign, it means answer negative. If we have even number of negative sign, answer will be positive. Now here if I see 1, 2, 3, again here also the same thing, we have 3 negative sign, right? And 3 is odd number, and for odd number answer is negative. The same answer for here. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6 says match the following. Okay. So first calculate and find the answer. Right? Okay. Yes. Now 6 into 7 plus minus 3. Yes. 6 into 7 plus minus 3. Now if you know BOD-MAS, then first we solve bracket, but here in bracket we have only one number. Okay, or you can write, you can solve this bracket. Now this 3 has plus and minus both the sign together, so this will become 6 into 7, and as these both sign and different signs, so it will become negative. Now we need to solve multiplication. Okay, so 6 7 the 42. 42 minus 3 will give you positive 39. Okay, option B. Now let's check the second one. Here we have this one bracket. So 6 plus 7 is what? 13. Now here this 3 has two signs together. Both the signs are different, so it will be minus. 13 minus 3 will give you 10. Okay. Now here if you see, this one is the bracket. But before that we can see this one bracket. Okay, so it will be 6 multiplied by 7. Now 3 has plus and minus both the sign are and these are different also, so negative. So 7 minus 3. So 6 into 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So 6 4s are 24. So answer will be 24. Now this one is left, last one. So answer will be minus 39. Okay, the first one column. Now next question. Use suitable properties to simplify. Okay, so now we have to simplify this. So for that we need to use suitable property. Okay, so now here how we will solve this one question. Now see here, you can see here we have the bigger bracket. Okay, and in this bracket we have 100 into minus 3. So if we use associative property, right? So this bracket can be shifted to minus 3 and minus 7. Then it will be easy for us to multiply. Now minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. How? By associative property. By associative property. Now you know that minus 3 into minus 7. Minus into minus will be plus. 3 sevens are 21. And 21 into 100 will be 2100. Clear? Yes. Now second. Minus 50 into 11 into minus 2. Again, if we take this minus 50 and minus 2 together, it will be easy for us to do. So 11 into minus 2, we need to write it as minus 2 into 11. It means what we will use? We will use by commutative. Okay. So by commutative property, what we can write? We can write it as minus 50 into minus 2 into 11. So from here we can take this minus 50 into minus 2, okay, into 11 by associative property. Now minus into minus will be plus. 52 is 100. 100 into 11 will give you 1100. Clear? Yes. Now third bit. 4 into 250 into minus 7. Now see here, first we need to multiply these two because here we have bracket. But if I multiply 250 into 4 first, then I will get that the solution will become too easy method. So we will use associative property. Why? Because we are changing the bracket. Okay. So by associative property. So by associative property, this will be 4 into 250 multiplied by minus 7. Now 4 into 250, 254 is 1000. 1000 into minus 7. Now 1000 is positive, 7 is negative. So plus into minus minus, 7 into 1000 will give you 7000. So answer is negative 7000. Okay. Now fourth bit. Here minus 20 and 5, if I'll take common, then I'll not common, I'll take together, then I will get 100, right? So if we are getting 110,000, then it means we are making our calculation easy. So first we will do that. So here what we are doing, we are using commutative property, because 14 into 5 we need to write as 5 into 14. Okay. So by commutative property. Okay, as I am using commutative property, so by commutative property I can write it as minus 20 into 5 into 14. Okay, now I'll change the bracket. It means associative property. So minus 20 into 5 together into 14. Now 20 is negative, 5 is positive, so it will be minus. 25 is 100. Minus 100 into 14. 14 is positive, 100 is negative. Plus into minus will be minus 100 into 14 will be 1400. Clear? Yes. Now let's do next bit. 45 into 12. Now here this 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. Right? So it means what we are doing, we are using distributive property. So by distributive property, okay, so by distributive property we can write it as 45 into 10 plus 45 into 2. So this will be 450 plus 45 2s are 90. So this one will become 450 plus 90, it will be 540. Right? Is it clear? Okay. Now next bit, 100 into minus 19. Now this minus 19 can be written as 100 into minus 20 plus 1. Okay, so this can be written as 100 into minus 20. How we are writing? The same property we are using, distributive property. So 100 into minus 20. Right, now this 100 we are taking with plus 1. So plus 100 into 1. Right, now 100 into minus 20 will give you minus 2000. Plus 100 into 1 will give you 100. So minus 2000 plus 100, it will give you minus 1900. Right? So like this we will solve. So that's all in this video. In next video we will start, okay, from this 7th bit. Okay, so thank you so much. Till then, bye bye, good night, and do revise.